Well, guys, there's my sign, but all the informational stuff is missing off of it. That just happens sometimes. Sometimes the sign won't even be there, and portions of the sign will be gone. But we are standing at the intersection of Rustic Road 25, okay? This here is just literally down the street from 85. We just did that a week ago. To me, it's the same day, okay? I've already ridden number 2. I've ridden 85. I've already ridden 126, the newest road in the program. And now here I am on the same day doing my 4th Rustic Road of the day. And I've been out for an hour, maybe? Really, they're so closely knit together, you can do 10 rustic roads, earn your patch, and yeah, that's it. That's all you gotta do. A couple hours of your day just to do 10 roads. You can do it. You really can. But this is Rustic Road 25. It's only like 2.5 miles long. It is not very long at all. So let's get on this. I've already ridden this road years ago. Same with number 2 and number 85. Now number 25. I've ridden these roads, but it's been maybe a decade ago that I've ridden these roads. Okay, so I want to get on the road, kind of relive the experience, this time on Mercy instead of Angel. But yeah, let's go for a ride. Let's see what the road's got. Now, to start off on this road, if you're going to stop and take your picture here, it is a pretty good hill. And the video, I know it doesn't look like much, but it is. So just kind of remember to put your bike in gear. That way it doesn't roll back on you. But as you can see also by the sign and by what's ahead, we're going to cross some railroad tracks right away. That was County DD. Yes, double D. Whoa, bumpy, okay. Wow, I can actually smell the tarring of those railroad track timbers. I did not see a speed limit sign when we took off, but I'm going to assume it's probably about 35 miles an hour. That's what most of the roads have been around this little area here. Somewhere between 35 and 45. And yep, there it is, 35. The Rustic Road program, all the roads are governed at a maximum of 45 miles an hour. You cannot go over that. So don't go ripping down through these roads at 55, 60, okay? Oh, what do we got going on here? Is that a mail truck? Hazard lights are going. Yep, it was a mail truck. I don't know where the mail person was. They might be reaching in the back to grab something. This road's a little bumpy. I've been on worse. I've been on roads that, like, you drop body parts, your pancreas and your spine and your spleen, just because they're so corrugated and washed out and stuff like that, especially the gravel ones. But so far I have not done a gravel road. Oh, there's some horses there. I have not done a gravel road on Mercy yet. I've crossed over like gravelly spots, but I haven't actually taken her on a gravel road. This isn't a bad little road. Kind of sad that it's only 2.5 miles long. Still governed at 35, so just because you're not seeing houses, don't start gunning it. Yeah, this is kind of nice. Even with all the wooded stuff over here, I'm constantly seeing on the trees of no trespassing signs. So all of that forested area, it's not a park or anything. That's a nice house over there, cobblestone siding. Check out that big silo. That's cool. This looks like a little swampy area out here. I wonder if that's some sort of a wildlife preserve or something like that. That's pretty sweet though. Another newish built house. Yep, again, the road still has quite a few bumps. This is almost pretty much indicative of what most rustic roads will be like. You know, they're typically not fresh paved or anything like that. And then I believe this is Highway D. And this will be the end of our Rustic Road. In fact, this sign right here will probably be the Rustic Road sign. No, it's not. But this is the end of our road. And then right down there is Maple Road, which is Rustic Highway, or Rustic Road to Rustic Highway. Yeah. So all in all, a nice little road. Again, just as you're starting to really get into it and feeling what the road's doing, it's done. And that's a shame about these small ones. I kind of wish they would make a 10-mile minimum on rustic roads. I really do. But you know, these rustic roads are supposed to characterize, you know, the back roads of Wisconsin. You know, not these main thoroughfares. Usually even county roads really don't get put into the system because the county roads tend to get used a lot. There's a few exceptions, but for the most part, you know, they're just named country roads. Knoll Road, that was the name of this road. So this is Mark saying thank you again for watching. It's been a pleasure. Always believe heart, soul, mind, and body in yourself. Bye, guys. Let's see, do I want to hit another one?